I looked at my email, so I have all 6 runs here. That number just got to be right. So I see that you're saying it's drop and hook, which is great, and I could drop my trailer on the yard, and they're all FedEx loads expedited, which will work too. It looks great. I just need you to confirm my number, and if you confirm what I'll move these for, then I'll be able to go ahead and get this started. So yeah. My main thing right now is pretty much consistency.
Yeah.
All right, just consistency. I'm looking at these loads, they all look pretty good, but I just need my number instead of what you got going, because I know that our level of service is high quality, and I'll be able to turn and burn on these really quick, and it'll be predictable. So, and it also helps that these are light loads. So go ahead, take a look at that, and we'll go ahead and give you a call back. All right, or just pretty much call me back once you figure it out, or just shoot me an email like yay or nay, and then we'll get in position to go ahead and take care of it. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
What's up? It's Easy Money Ash, and y'all coming on a journey with me, my trucking journey. Hey, y'all check it out, all right? What's up, Easy Money fam? It's Easy Money Ash. It's a great day to get some trucking money. Listen, it's a great day to get some trucking money. Don't think that everything in the industry is going bad, because it's not. People are still out here getting money, including myself. People are still out here making things happen, making moves, making deals happen. So if you feel like trucking is done, no, don't. You got to get around different people who are making it happen, because truckers are going to complain all the time. It's a cyclical industry. They don't understand by now. They probably not going to get it. So you got to get around people who understand what's going on. You got to get around people who are making things happen. So right now, I want to give a shout out to a couple of my followers. Appreciate you for following Be Nice. Appreciate you for following Tracy. What's up, y'all? Be sure to subscribe and stay connected to me. That's the least we can do, is stay tight and join the fam. So right now, what I'm doing is I'm talking to a broker, and the broker is sending me over loads, which consist of FedEx loads, and e-commerce is jumping out of the gym. So we're gonna get into the video. I'm gonna explain more about what the e-commerce has to offer, and give you a little strategy of what you could do to make things happen. All right, look into different areas. If you are in one niche, you might have to get out of the niche and go to another. All right, hey, Easy Money Ash, stay tuned. Happy holidays, y'all. I know you see my guy. He just clocked out for the day. He's literally dead tired. Little joke. But I'm getting ready to back my truck into this dock. It's my first day running these loads for Landstar. So the broker and we actually came to a deal. So I love running dry van. I consistently do that. For the main part, I don't do any box truck loads. However, for this video, I will be sharing a premium load board that's been kept quiet for a while, that many companies have been using to get their box trucks rolling and make deals just like these dry van deals that can be made. So stick around and share this video with a friend if they could use the recommendation. All right, so let me get back and talk more about this dry van load I'm doing. These are dropping hooks in Wisconsin going back to Indiana. I was able to drop my trailer on FedEx's yard and save on my trailer maintenance by just using Landstar trailers this week, which cut down on my dwell time, time spent waiting to be loaded. consider doing business with a company like Fedex or a carrier like Landstar. Grab these parcels and get moving. The box trucks are eating these parcels up. All right. Industry data shows strong e-commerce markets right now. And if you can't position yourself with a brand who moves e-commerce, this will help keep your wheels moving too. Right. So partnerships with large carriers who have contracts can be strategic. Like, for example, you see me partnering with Landstar on a contract right now. It's dedicated. It's a dedicated lane moving expedited loads for FedEx. I negotiated my rate and I didn't take the first number that they gave me. And you could pretty much find these loads on a DAT or go directly to Landstar's Loadboard. Parcels are increasing right now, so be sure to properly calculate your rates. Okay, they are increasing, so calculate your rates. Discounts on multiple moves is really good for your operation because you can steady keep your business flowing, steady keep money coming in if you getting discounts on multiple moves, or if you making multiple moves from a consistent customer. Okay, all right, because a consistent route helps manage your costs for expenses like your maintenance. All right, because you got a predictable route, so take that into consideration. So let's circle back. All right, so the biggest thing right now is paying attention to carriers like your FedEx, your JB Hunts, your Landstars who move volume. They all focus on volume. Each of them have well over 10,000 trucks, so their bargaining power is much higher than a company with a 10 truck operation or a company with a 1 truck operation, which 95% of the industry is made up of 5 trucks and below. All right. Pay attention to your discount stores like your Walmarts and your retailers who will discount their products this season, because that will drive up a demand. And when demand is up, they're gonna be calling you. All right, so you either gonna call the retailers or you can call the brokers who has the relationship already set up, and which will make it a little bit easier for you to get in there and get some money going. Keep in mind, spending has not stopped and student loan payments have started up. Okay, so this month, October, and next month, November, student loan payments will be starting up. And even though they're starting up, people still are spending. Trust me. Okay. Recently, I have come across an option for cargo box trucks and van freight. Right, so this is not a commonly known load board. And remember, I told you I was going to tell you about it earlier. So now is the time. So get your pen and paper out. Okay. So gatekeepers have kept this a secret for years, and let me tell you, the secret is out. This load board is crazy for y'all box trucks out there. Everybody who has a box truck, y'all need to look into this load board, because right now they are charging a premium because it's nobody in their lane. Okay, so it's called Selectus. Selectus has thousands of loads that will help your business succeed. Okay. It's a great tool for your brand if you're struggling to move loads. The investment is a little pricey. All right, it ain't cheap. All right, so they got a big investment right now, $600 per month, relative to what DAT charges. This is pretty steep with a $200 sign up fee. Yeah, I know, right? The cost of doing business. But check it out. Let me know in the comments if you will try it or if you have used it before. My business strategy of partnerships right now is with larger carriers, and that has come with a number of benefits. All right, and the pros far exceed cons. The biggest pro is the better positioning for stronger rates, as there is power in numbers. We know that there's power in numbers. So if you can position yourself with a pretty reputable carrier who has that power, you can be looking at a good amount of bread right now. All right. And it also provides for stability for your business. This is about your business. Put your pride aside. It's about survival of the fittest right now. Okay. I keep my options open and I review the market week by week. And rebidding freight is a constant grind. It's a consistent grind. So always be rebidding freight. And bidding season will be coming up soon in January. So all you carriers definitely get in position. All right. Yo, so y'all pretty much made it through a good part of this video. We're in the last quarter of 2023. It's only 4 short months left, okay, until 2024. Don't let anyone waste your time. All right, go after those goals, cut out the distraction, speak your affirmation, and execute. Remove the toxic liabilities from your life and your business and focus on your grind, your goals, and glow up. All right, revisit your vision board and don't let up. All gas right now. Okay. Hey, thank y'all for watching. See you in the comment section. And if you found this information helpful, place some fire emojis in the comments, like with the thumbs up if you want to hear more, and click subscribe to help the channel. All right, peace, easy money fam. Later.